How to draw this? You might find it crazy to draw, but trust me, at the end of this video, I guarantee you that you will be able to draw this. First, remove its rendering. You can see that in this picture, only lines are there which are arranged in a 3D space. Now keep this thing aside for a reference. For better illustration, I am using Sketchbook Pro. You can also use pencil and paper, just follow the steps. The interior is in 2-point perspective. I am drawing this using mouse. So if you have a PC, just download Sketchbook Pro app, it's free, so you can follow the steps here. You can also draw it with pencil on paper if you don't have a PC. Now the important step, the first step is placing vanishing points. So let me zoom out and place the left sided point very far away and the right sided point near the center, not at but near the center, like this. Always remember that point placements in 2-point perspective whenever we are drawing interiors is like this. One point is very far away from the page and the second point is near the center, not at but near the center. It will create a realistic view. Do not place points equidistant from the center if you are drawing an interior. If you are drawing on a page, imagine the left sided point very far away from the page and the right sided one, you can draw it on the horizon line near the center. Now draw a vertical line and a line from the left vanishing point. Draw another vertical line and connect these two lines. It will form a 2D plane like this. It's a wall. Now from this vanishing point, extend its corners. Oh, now we can see a 3D space is formed. Then draw its structural elements like skirting, doors, etc. You can see all lines coming towards us will pass from the right-handed vanishing point, and all lines perpendicular to them will pass from the left-handed vanishing point. And as always, vertical line stays vertical. So there are three perpendicular lines which are formed. Ultimately, a 3D space is formed. While drawing a door, draw a vertical line, then line from the right-handed vanishing point and another vertical line. Also take care of its proportions. Then give it a thickness. Like so. Now we can erase unnecessary parts. Now give the door depth using the same vanishing point. Like this. So our door is now ready. Then draw behind the door scenes using the same vanishing point and vertical lines. One thing keep in mind, its size should be less. We are drawing walls. They are far away, so their size should be less than the wall inside. Then draw asymmetrical frames on the wall. Well, asymmetry is beautiful, isn't it? Draw it as shown. You can use your own creativity though. Don't just draw a rectangle or square. The frame is above the eye level, so we can see its bottom side. Dark it down. At the same time, it's at the left hand side from the vanishing point, so we can see its right hand side. Dark it down too. Look at this frame. This frame is neither above or below the eye level, but its left hand side from the eye level, so the right hand side is visible to us. Dark it down. Then you can draw further details, like on the same wall I am drawing planks for book storage. Remember, we are creating depth using right hand sided point and parallel horizontal lines using left hand sided point. In case of a 1-point perspective, all parallel lines are horizontal. like this. Before drawing, first decide its height. Now draw a line from the left handed side vanishing point. Then draw a perpendicular line dividing this line. Then another line from the right handed side vanishing point. It will create a plane lying above the floor. Then give it a thickness by extending its corners by vertical lines like this. If you are enjoying this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, as I am putting a lot of efforts doing it, so activities like commenting will also be appreciated. Now it's time to design with your own creativity. I am drawing a ceiling like this. You can draw another type if you like. It depends upon you. But always remember, stick to the vanishing points, vertical lines and necessary proportions. Then just round the corners like this. It will create a realistic look. Then boom, it's ready. Draw further details like ventilator window, floorings using vanishing points. Remember, it will take time to draw fluently. You just need an exposure. Trust me, it's very easy. Once you draw it 2 or 3 times, you will get the intuition. Then you can draw any 3D objects in the world thanks to linear perspective. No matter how hard the thing is, you can't do it unless you try it. You can add rendering so it will look realistic. As always, thanks for watching. See you soon.